Good morning, teacher Michelle Guapaya. I am the student Christian Brian Aguirre Huaman, third cycle morning chef of the agriculture production degree. Avocado Graft. On this occasion, I will explain how to do the avocado graft through connectors from the beginning, transformation, and completion. First, we disinfect the resort and prune shears with alcohol, with the end of non-transmitting bacteria. Then, we made a vertical cut in the stand to try to open the bar. Next, we proceed to make a wedge cut with a slow to our board. Then, we insert the board and use our grafting tape to work it to protect this part from the air. Finally, place the pacifier vat so that it can grave the greenhouse effect. Also cut some branches for cleaning. Thank you very much for watching the video, teacher.